Okay, my name is June, and I made a wooden monster truck. And I used glue paint. I used a hammer to hammer all the nails in. I used yellow paint, and I used this little foam thing. I don't really know what it is. I used hot glue, and I used a pipe cleaner. And then I had to paint the bottom too, but how would I paint without a paintbrush? So of course I used a paintbrush. And my favorite part was watching it do this. And the hard part was getting this glue to stay still while this was drying with the glue on it, the hot glue. And I'm going to show you now how it works. Let's see. These are the two cars I have. It's very smashy. And bye.